Hi boys and girls. So today we're doing lesson 12-9, changing metric units. Okay. So our problem says Maria is 156 centimeters tall. The average 10-year-old girl in the United States is 1 meter and 433 millimeters tall. Our question's asking, is Maria taller than the average 10-year-old girl? Okay. Then it tells us you can connect ideas. Think about how meters, centimeters, and millimeters are all connected, okay? So for this, we need our conversion chart, okay? So we're talking about, in this problem, we're talking about centimeters, millimeters, and meters, okay? So if I look, I know that 1 meter equals 10 centimeters, okay? I put it right here, okay? And it even says here, 1 meter equals 10 centimeters. I also know that 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. So I'm going to look at that. It says it right here, 1 centimeter equals 10 millimeters. This is very important, okay? If we don't know this, we can't do it, okay? So now I'm going to write everything out, okay? I'm going to put M for Maria. Maria, she's 156 centimeters tall, okay? The average girl, so I'm going to put AG for average girl. The average girl is 1 meter and 430 milliliters tall, okay? So they want to know, is Maria taller, okay? If you notice, our units are different. We have centimeters, we have meters, we have millimeters. I cannot do anything unless these are all the same unit, okay? So since Maria is already centimeters, I'm going to convert the meters and millimeters to centimeters as well, okay? So if I go here, I have meters first. I know 1 meter equals 100 centimeters, okay? So I'm going to put here 1 meter, and I need to convert it to centimeters, okay? If you're going from big to small, okay? If you're going from a big unit to a small unit, you are going to multiply, okay? If you're going from big to small, you multiply. So 1 meter times 100 centimeters, because I need to convert this meter to centimeters, I get 100 centimeters, okay? So I know this 1 meter actually equals 100 centimeters, okay? So now I'm going to convert 430 millimeters, okay? So 430 millimeters. So if I'm converting, well, first, millimeters to centimeters. I know that 10 millimeters equals 1 centimeter. So if I'm doing a small unit and I need to convert it to a bigger unit, I'm going to divide. So 430 millimeters divided by 10 centimeters, you're going to get 43 centimeters. Okay? So this 430 millimeters actually equals 43 centimeters. Okay, so remember, when you're converting a small unit to a big unit, you multiply. When you're converting a small unit, when you're converting a small unit to a bigger unit, you divide. Okay, I think I said this one wrong. When you're converting a big unit to a small unit, you multiply. Okay, so now that I know those two, now that I know that this is 100 centimeters, this is 43 centimeters, I'm going to add them now. Okay, so my last step is I'm going to add 100 centimeters. So I'm just adding these two, okay? So 100 centimeters plus 43 centimeters, because I need to get what does the average girl equal in centimeters, okay? My 3 goes down, my 4 goes down, my 1 goes down, okay? So I know that the average girl equals 143 centimeters, okay? So now that I know that Maria is 156 centimeters and the average girl is 143 centimeters, they both have the same unit, so now I can compare them. Which one is taller? Okay, well, 156 is bigger than 143. So that means that I'm going to put it down here. Maria is taller. Okay? And that is how you do that. So remember, I'm going to say it again. Remember, if you're converting a big unit, meters, to a small unit, centimeters, you multiply. Okay? Big unit to small, you multiply. If you're converting a small unit, millimeters, to a big unit, centimeters, so if you're converting small to big, you divide. Okay, this is very important. Okay, so that's how we change metric units.